Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve practice problem 5.4 from Hayt's book. And the question is to find this V here using repeated source transformation. Okay, remember that source transformation, we can change voltage source in series with a resistor into a current source parallel with a resistor. So now maybe let's change this one from current source and a resistor in parallel to this voltage source and resistor in series. So remember that I is equal to V divided by R, or V is equal to I multiplied by R. Okay, so now let's do that. V is equal to I multiplied by R. Remember that our current here is 40 microampere, then multiplied by 200 kilo ohm. 200 kilo ohm. So in order to cancel this kilo, we will have to change that into mega ohm. So we'll have 0.2 mega ohm. Remember that mega is 10 to the 6, but micro is 10 to the negative 6. So they will cancel each other. And we will have, what is it? 40 multiplied by 0.2, that will be 8 volt. Right? So we can change this into 8 volt in series with 200 kilo ohm. So let's do that. Let's redraw the circuit. So we will have this 75 microampere. And then that will parallel with that 4 mega ohm. Okay, we will have 4 mega ohm there. And that will be 6 mega ohm. Okay, we replace this with voltage source in series with a resistor. So I will have minus and plus, and the value will be 8 volt. So I have 8 volt from here. And that is in series here with this 200 kilo ohm, or because all of this in mega ohm, I will want to write it in mega ohm. So 0.2 mega ohm. And then that one will be 1 mega ohm. And the last one will be 3 volt here. Yeah, that's good. So now let's change this one into voltage and in series with a resistor. So this part here, this part with this part. Okay. Remember that V is equal to I multiplied by R. Our I here is 75 microampere, and our resistance here will be 4 mega ohm. Okay, 75 multiplied by 4, that will be 300, right? So it will be 300. Really? Okay, 75 multiplied by 4, that will be 150 multiplied by 2, yeah. And the unit will be volt, right? So let's redraw the circuit. I will have 300 volt here. 300 volt. And then in series with that 4 ohm. Series with that 4 ohm. And then we will have that, I mean, not 4 ohm, 4 mega ohm, right? And then 6 mega ohm. And then 8 volt. Okay, we'll have 8 volt. Then 0.2 mega ohm. 0.2 mega ohm. And then 1 mega ohm. And then that will be 3 volt. Okay. Okay, now I think I will want to this part to be combined. So 308 volt, that will be 308 volt. We will have that voltage source. And then I want to combine all the resistor that does not contain this V. This will be V, what? Yeah, this is the V, right? So I will have 4 plus 6 plus 0.2. That will be 10.2, right? We'll have 10.2 mega ohm. Okay, 10.2 mega ohm. And then that will be 1 mega ohm. And I will have this here as 3 volt. 3 volt. Okay, now I want to combine this one. So 308 and 3 volt, we can combine them, becoming 305, right? 305 volt, because the sign will be the same here. So we will subtract each other. 305, and then we will have this 10.2 mega ohm. 10.2 mega ohm. And then we will have this 1 mega ohm. 1 mega ohm. Okay, I think this should be mega ohm. And remember that we are asked to find out the V here. So I will have V, and I will have V here. Okay, now let's do that. We can just use a voltage divider. So 1 divided by 1 plus 10.2 multiplied by 305. And this is volt. So our V will be what? Let's do it by calculator. 1 divided by 1 plus 10.2 multiplied by 305. That will be 27.23. Okay, so I will have V is equal 27.23 volt. Is it correct? I don't know. Let's see the answer key. Our answer key says that it is 27.2. Yeah, this is also the same. So I did not make any mistake, and do not forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.